Here we go. Timber.
Pepper.
Say timber. Timber. Timber.
I something this necklace on my ear. I didn't even notice it.
Didn't bother you? Timber.
No.
Listen how hard they hit the ground.
Yeah.
Timber.
He's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches up, isn't he?
I'd say he's about 30,
30 what?
about 45 feet up, I would say. But you can go up there and get the rest of it now.
I say he's 100 inches feet.
Well, he's as high as that cherry picker's going to stretch.
He turned around and so...
Yeah, he's going to get the little one because he can't reach it. Zoom. Zoom.
I'm so quick.
Zoom. Here it comes, piece by piece. Timber. Watch it. Timber. Woohoo. Firewood.
Fireworks, just what you need.
Look, timber. Look. Okay.